Let us talk this time about an interesting project where the task was to program a Bystronic BYSTAR 30-120 machine from the level of the TruTopsBoost software. First, we defined the target machine based on a Trumpf machine TruLaser L81. We made a copy of this machine in the TruTopsBoost database, and after this, in the properties of the machine, where we have the basic data dimensions, we defined the working range of the target machine with 12 meters by 3003 meters in epsilon, where the sheet length is 12 meters and the weight 3 meters. This machine has the working area 4 meters, and it means that for processing such big sheets in the machine configuration should be allowed to program the reposition, and by setting an configuration variable in the settings of the machine, we are able to reach this behavior of the software. In addition, we had to define the direction in which the reposition will be done, and by setting the direction as vertical, we reach the possibility to program the reposition direction in the x-axis. After making some adjustment in the database of TruTopsBoost with help of our colleagues from the development department, from the programming, we have to define a job, and in the job already prepared here in the system, we can check that this job was prepared for a sheet with dimension of 12 meters and 1600 millimeters in the width. And when we open this job, we can see that we have here 3 sheets. Maybe we open the second one, and what we can find in the first view, we have special marks where the reposition is done. If we view the picture of the machine, then we can see that the markers are enabled at this position where the areas of the reposition are made. It means every 4 meters will be done the reposition. Okay, we can start now the simulation. And this simulation shows that really the path of the laser machine is divided in 3 areas, the reposition areas. Step by step is made the reposition, and in each reposition area, a particular part of the processing is done. What do we have to do next? Next, we have to prepare the final LST file, but the LST file will be recognized by the Trumpf machine, but our task final goal is to get a program for the Bystronic machine. Before we press create the NC, we go to the parameters. And in the parameters window, we activate an NC retreatment program. The mnemonic of this program is conf L81. It means that after preparing the LST file from the level of the TruTopsBoost, an additional application will be started. And this application, named LST Converter, will prepare the final NCP file for the Bystronic machine. Okay. Then we press OK. And now we start the creation of the LST file. The converter application is started automatically. And what we have to do now, we have to press the button convert. After the conversion is finished, we can press for the target machine, the BYSTAR 3040. We can press the button for preview of the converted program. What I have to explain now, the LST converter application is configured in such way that after pressing this button, we'll start an external program which is in possession of the customer for which we made this project, a viewer of the NCP file of the Bystronic machine. Now I press this button, the application started. I minimize the LST converter program, and now we can start the simulation prepared by the Bystronic. Okay, we press, and what we see, a very nice simulation where the areas of the reposition are viewed properly. It means that the final program is prepared and recognized by the Bystronic viewer, and it means that the conversion application prepared by the Trumpf specialist is prepared well and proper. In cases of questions, we ask you kindly to contact the CAD/CAM department of Trumpf Poland company, tops@pl.trumpf.com. Thank you for your attention.